Now just a minute. I said I was going to paint these, but I left out a very important step. Yes, I know I've got it all ready, but I don't. The very important step is I need to wipe it down, and I'll probably use denatured alcohol to do that because it dries really, really fast and will get any particles off. Metal particles off that are still on it, and maybe take off a little bit of that paint too. So yeah, I'm going to wipe it down with mineral spirits before I prime it. And there you have it. Just a minute.